Hello, beautiful people. Let's travel to Iran. Welcome to Abbas Abad jungle in Iran. Abbas Abad jungle is a part of Hyrcanian forest situated along the southern coast of Caspian in Kilardasht. After passing through the heaven and its beautiful roads, you will be amazed by its unique atmosphere. There is restaurants and coffee shops serving coffee, tea, and food. We are in the season now, but the north of Iran always has a very pleasant and cool weather in this season. Many travelers travel to north of Iran on weekends or holidays to escape the summer heat.